forced to work for a week. We did not even know how it was a month. The walk was so long and deep into the forest that at some point we could not see the sky anymore. Just darkness. The evil men abused us, called us snakes, beat us. I was raped. The pastor was raped. Our feet peeled and bled from walking. We slept on the wet grass. Our clothes no longer covered our bodies.
Up to this point, it felt like a bad refugee story. It felt like an event that shouldn't have happened, but one that obviously happened. Then as they got deeper into the forest, she dragged me into it with them. I could smell the long elephant grass, the bark of the trunks of the trees the size of a granary. I felt the sinister spirits of the forest. I could smell the septic wounds on them when she said,
Our wound started smelling. I felt like we were not a living thing, like we were rotting like something dead.
And indeed they were dying inside. I felt that same cruel spirit of that forest, and how our children cried constantly. As they went deeper into the forest, I felt the silence of the birds, and the silence of humanity, and the desperation of it all. She narrated this sitting there in the kitenge, hands on her lap, her eyes averted from mine, in case I see the parts of the story that she wanted to keep to herself. The parts other humans, like me, would not interpret. The militia finally brought them to their camp. The Mai Mai were led by a personification of evil called Mokolo, who made her his wife promptly. He threatened her with death, then threatened to eat her children.